All right, engineers. There's an engineering class. Engineers make the world work. What does that mean? Engineers keep us alive. Doctors keep us alive, I guess. But engineers keep us alive. Doctors keep us alive if we get sick and get hurt really, really bad. What do you need to stay alive? What do you need? Food, water, shelter. That's what they say. Food, water, shelter are the three things that we need to stay alive. Um, and engineers give these things to us: food, water, shelter. Food, what do you mean, Mr. Daney? Food is provided by farmers. Farmers make food. Yeah, if you go in your backyard with a stick and dig a hole and put a seed in there, you could grow something. But in reality, to feed the world as it is, uh, engineers make the machines that make farming happen. And if you've ever seen any of these machines, they're amazing. I was going down to Lewis Beach, and there's a lot of farms along the way. And I remember going through a field, seeing this tractor go through a field, and all I saw was these weird things flying out of the tractor. And basically, what it was a machine that was going through and picking zucchini. And somehow the machine knew where the zucchini were. If anybody have ever grown zucchini, it's like this huge plant that starts growing all over the place. It's kind of prickly, and the zucchini are in like one spot. You got to cut them off. And but this machine will go through and basically cut up the whole plant, grab the zucchini off of it, and grind the rest of the plant up and shoot it off to the side, and the zucchini go in the back. Why does it grind it up? Raise your hand. Yes, you in the back. It grinds it up to turn it into fertilizer, and it shoots it off into the field, the rest of the plant, but it saves the zucchini. Cool engineering machine. Food, water, shelter. Water. Got a picture of a young lady drinking water out of a water fountain. We take things for granted. It's an amazing engineering feat to go up to a metal box, push a button, and have clean water come out. A lot of the world does not have that technology. Clean water. Water is a huge scarcity these days in many parts of the world. Um, Engineers, getting the water. You can't go into a stream behind your house and get water. I'm a hiker and I have a water filter. So if I go backpacking this summer, we did some long hikes, and it's nice to have that water filter along, because then you don't have to carry the weight. You don't have to carry numerous things of water. You can just bring one water thing and a filter, and then when you get where you're going, if there's water, you can pump that water, and it's just totally fine. So the idea of purifying water and getting it to your house and pipes and water towers and having it clean, again, engineering feat. Shelter. Without shelter, you would die. I guess if you lived, I don't know, somewhere in the Caribbean, you could maybe make it without shelter for a while because of the temperatures. But around here in the winter, you would freeze to death without a house and jacket. It's not just shelter of a house or a building, but AC systems, heating systems, jackets, umbrellas. An umbrella is shelter. Um, and so all these different things we need to stay alive, and engineers make those happen. All right, we'll stop there for a moment.